Hi friends, welcome to our channel Winemakers. Today we'll be making moonshine, which is called Desi Daru in India. We'll also be telling you about the ingredients used in this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Okay, now have a look at the ingredients. We'll have 1 kilo of jaggery, 1 to 2 spoons of ordinary yeast. You can also have a special wine making yeast which will give you wine of better quality. Okay, yeah, so have a look at some cloves, add some cardamom and some cinnamon. You can add up to say 4 pieces of each of these. Add some fennel and some babool peel. It's called it's taken from the babool tree actually. In Punjabi we call it kikar. Okay, you can also add some fruits like mangoes, grapes, citrus, orange, sapodilla or banana. And we'll also add about 3 liters of water. Now mix all the ingredients together and put them in a container. Make sure you have an air tube attached to it and leave it for up to 15 to 21 days for fermentation. Okay, we'll have and after that we'll distill it. Now it's all ready. After 21 days, this is how it looks like. We have made just a sample. It's not about 3 liters, it's just a sample you're having a look at right now. Now we will open the jar and put it into the pressure cooker. You can also have a look at one of the videos that shows how to prepare a pressure cooker for distilling, which is in my playlist. Okay, please subscribe to our channel and go through the playlist if you want to have a look at more videos like this. You'll also find that video's link in the description below, which shows how to prepare the pressure cooker for distilling. Okay, now we have added the mixture in the pressure cooker and we'll gently close it. I have prepared the pressure cooker on my own using the copper wire. You can also buy one from Amazon, which will cost you about for about 20,000 rupees. I don't think that's a good idea. You can also make your own, which doesn't cost that much. Okay, I've prepared the copper pipe on my own. I'm also using just a couple of inches of plastic pipe, as you can see in front of the copper pipe. If there's any like high pressure in the cooker, it will just slip off. There's no chance of it bursting out. You can also have a look at the steam, or if it's boiling out, it will show you clearly. I'm also adding ice cold water on the copper wire so that the steam turns into liquid and flows into the bucket. I've turned the gas on, so once the mixture starts to boil, please make sure to change it to the low flame so that it does not keep boiling. Have a look at the pipe. You can have a look at the steam flowing through. Have a look at the pipe here. It has started flowing now. We'll use a bottle See, you can also test it by igniting it. It'll catch fire easily if it's the real one. Okay, so it will keep flowing into the bottle now. Please make sure to keep testing it by using the fire trick. If it doesn't ignite, you can stop making it. If you want to make it look crystal clear, you need to decant it. If you don't do it or don't decant it, it will look a bit foggy. And also, if you want to have a look at the video in Hindi, please have a look at our playlist. We haven't decanted it, so it looks a bit foggy, but it's still the same. As I mentioned earlier, you can decant it if you want to make it look crystal clear. Have a look at the bottle now. It's almost about the half of it now, so see, it's all done. Now I'm going to test it to make sure it's not harmful. I'll have a bit of sample on a spoon and put it above the fire. If it shows a kind of like blue flame, that means it's okay. If it shows yellow or red, that means it's harmful, it's not useful, okay? Hey, look at it now, friends. It shows blue flame. That means it's all good to go. So that is all perfect. I'm going to use some natural color to give it some color, not a synthetic one. So I'll add some water and some sugar into a cauldron, and I'll roast it and then stir it into the wine, which will give it a natural color. So now I've added the color to it, and thanks for watching this video, friends.